Everyone has a story. Some stories are filled with pain, mistakes, and regret. But here's the truth. Those stories can still have beautiful endings. If you're watching this, it means you've already taken the first step. You've survived. You've said, I want to change. That alone makes you powerful. Today, we're going to talk about something real. How to rebuild your life after addiction. Not just surviving, but truly living again. Because your past doesn't define you. Your recovery does. Let's begin. 1. Accept that healing takes time. Recovery isn't a switch you flip. It's a journey. Slow, difficult, and full of lessons. There will be days you feel strong, and others where the past tries to pull you back. Don't let that discourage you. Healing is not linear. You didn't fall overnight, and you won't rise overnight. Be patient with yourself. Every sober morning, every clear thought, every small win, they all count. And if you stumble, don't give up. A relapse doesn't mean failure. It means you're still fighting. Progress isn't perfection, it's persistence. Keep going. 2. Forgive yourself. Guilt is heavy. It whispers, you ruined everything. But guilt will not rebuild your life. Forgiveness will. Forgive yourself for the things you did when you were lost. Forgive yourself for hurting the people you love. Forgive yourself for not knowing better back then. You're not that same person anymore. You're learning, healing, becoming new. Remember, forgiveness doesn't mean you forget. It means you refuse to stay trapped in yesterday. Say it out loud. I forgive myself because I'm learning to love myself again. 3. Cut off toxic environments. You can't heal in the same place you got sick. If you truly want to rebuild, you have to let go of the people, places, and habits that pull you back into darkness. That old bar, that old friend who always says just one more. That environment where your pain began, it cannot follow you where you're going. Set boundaries. It's not selfish, it's survival. Choose peace over chaos, growth over guilt. If it costs you your peace, it's too expensive. 4. Rebuild your identity. Addiction steals your sense of self. It convinces you that you are nothing without it. But that was a lie. Now it's time to rediscover who you really are. Ask yourself, what makes me come alive? What values matter to me? What kind of person do I want to be remembered as? Try new things, learn a new skill, reconnect with hobbies you once loved. This is your time to redefine yourself, not as a victim, but as a survivor. You are not your addiction, you are your rebirth. 5. Set small, achievable goals. Big change begins with small steps. When you rebuild, don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Make a list of simple daily goals. Wake up early, eat healthy, journal your feelings. Stay sober today, just today. Every small victory builds momentum. Celebrate each one. Don't wait until the big win. Remember, mountains are climbed one step at a time, and you're already halfway up. 6. Seek support. You can't do this alone, and you don't have to. Join a support group. Talk to a counselor. Open up to family or friends, even if it's hard at first. There's power in saying, I need help. That's not weakness. That's courage. Healing happens in connection, not isolation. When you share your pain, it loses its power over you. And when you surround yourself with people who understand, you find strength you didn't know you had. 7. Rebuild financial stability. Addiction often leaves financial scars. Debt, lost jobs, missed opportunities. But it's never too late to start over. Begin with small financial goals. Make a simple budget. Save a little, even if it's just coins in a jar. Look for honest work. Learn new skills. There's dignity in starting small. Avoid quick money schemes. You've already seen where shortcuts lead. Build slow. Build steady. You can't fix what you don't face. So face your finances head on with confidence. 8. Reconnect spiritually true. Recovery is more than just physical or emotional. It's spiritual. Find peace through prayer, meditation, or faith. Even if you feel distant from God or from hope, reach out again. There's something powerful about surrendering your pain to a higher purpose. When you feel empty, faith fills the cracks. When you feel lost, faith becomes your compass. Healing your soul helps heal your habits. 9. Find purpose in helping others. The best way to stay strong is to lift others up. Share your story. Volunteer. Be there for someone going through what you survived. When you help others, you remind yourself how far you've come. You turn your pain into purpose. Remember, your story isn't over. It's becoming someone else's reason to hope. 10. Stay committed to growth. Rebuilding your life doesn't stop when you're sober. That's just the beginning. Keep growing. Keep learning. Keep believing that your best days are ahead. Stay consistent, even when it's boring. Stay humble, even when you succeed. Stay grateful, even when life gets tough. Recovery isn't a destination, it's a daily choice. And every day you choose peace over pain, you win. If you've come this far, I want you to know, I'm proud of you. You've survived battles most people will never understand. Rebuilding your life after addiction isn't easy, but it's worth it. You're proof that even after darkness, light can return. Don't give up now. Keep fighting, keep healing, keep believing, because this isn't the end of your story. This is your new beginning.